have you be us in the wild. I could never met you in the wild. So let me be afraid of that.
Maybe we will be married once in a while. Of course, this is not except that the Presidents of New Liberty is trust to be saved in a while. Well, hope you feel bad.
Lucky we will be ever trust to the New Liberties God of heavens we will provide it for.
So proud of me want to be in love.
Now let's get out now and head back home.
Goodbye and take care.
Well, you guys, hope you had fun today. We won't come back until the last day.
We will be proud of that. It can't take any one of you.
If it happens to us, we will be free only.
It let the things happen to you well. So proud if we won't be happen again.
We always got us back to solid ground. We're a lighthouse, and we will get by, and the last interview helped many ways. Let's say goodbye to everyone for the support. We will not be back until next week.
Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you guys for having so much fun and obviously hear what it's looked like to us in the favorite ways to learn.
Greetings and thanks, New Liberty. We are heading and traveling to the Las Vegas New Liberty, and had the time called the place the New Hotel. And we're all here. What's the magic? We're called Magic Symphony States.
His name is Brian Potter, and we're traveling to the Symphony States. And Symphony States is better than New Liberty.
But wouldn't lie us in quickly days or even forgotten words, just like having the real importation. The better prove the way we're the gag concert forces.
Thanks for the real time in the CA. And the brand new California state. But it's a new city. BEL/BIM, Symphony States. We will announce that we would be traveled to Symphony States, but divorced by New Liberty. And guys, Whole New City has been out for many years since the real income or the outcome feature. We will see you everyone around.